Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about some of the best smart home products for entertainment, security about your home and more. Let's get started. First on list is WYZE CamOG 1080p HD Wi-Fi security camera, a compact and powerful device designed to keep your home safe and secure. This camera offers a range of advanced features for enhanced monitoring and convenience. With its stackable mounting option, you can easily position the camera for a double view, covering more areas and angles in your home. The built-in spotlight provides added visibility, illuminating the surroundings for better monitoring and deterrence. The mini siren feature adds an extra layer of security, allowing you to activate a loud alarm when needed. Get closer to the action with the 3x telephoto lens, enabling you to take a closer look at specific areas or objects of interest. Experience color night vision, which captures vivid and detailed footage even in low light conditions, ensuring clear visibility round the clock. The WYZE CamOG is built to withstand various weather conditions with its IP65 waterproof rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Enjoy upgraded two-way audio for seamless communication and interaction, allowing you to listen and speak to those on the other end. Stay informed and receive faster notifications with this camera. Whether it's motion detection or other alerts, you'll be promptly notified on your smartphone or other devices. Load live videos faster for real-time monitoring and get peace of mind knowing you have quick access to live feeds. With the smart security option of Cam Plus, you can take your security to the next level. Benefit from person, package, and pet detection, ensuring you are alerted to the things that matter most to you. Customize your settings and enjoy added convenience and control. Upgrade your home security with the WYZE CamOG 1080p HD Wi-Fi security camera. Next on list is Govee Wi-Fi TV LED backlights with camera, a revolutionary way to enhance your TV viewing experience. With its 1080p intelligent camera, it captures the colors on your screen and automatically applies them to your Govee TV backlights, creating an immersive and dynamic lighting effect. Experience higher resolution and more accurate color recognition with this smart RGBIC ambient TV light designed for 55 to 65-inch TVs. Enjoy vivid and vibrant colors that bring your favorite movies, shows, and games to life. Take control of your LED lights for TV with ease. Manage them effortlessly using simple voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, or through the user-friendly Govee Home app. Customize your lighting settings to match your mood and create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. For gamers, these LED backlights are sure to spark excitement. Enhance your gaming fun with dynamic lighting effects that sync with your gameplay, adding an extra layer of immersion and excitement to your gaming sessions. The control box of the LED lights for TV is equipped with a built-in microphone, allowing them to sync with your favorite music. Watch as the lights dance and change color in sync with the rhythm, bringing your music to life and creating a captivating visual experience. Elevate your TV viewing experience with the Govee Wi-Fi TV LED backlights with camera. Enjoy personalized lighting effects that enhance your entertainment, whether it's movies, gaming, or simply relaxing with your favorite music. Transform your living room into a dynamic and immersive space with these innovative LED backlights. Next on list is SOLIOM S600 outdoor solar-powered cellular security camera. This wireless camera is designed for ultimate convenience and functionality. With 3G, 4G LTE connectivity, you can access the camera remotely and receive real-time notifications wherever you are. Experience complete coverage with the 360 degrees pan and tilt function, allowing you to monitor every angle of your outdoor space. The built-in spotlight provides full-color night vision, ensuring clear visibility even in low-light conditions. With IP66 waterproof rating, this camera is built to withstand various weather conditions. Enjoy the flexibility of rechargeable batteries, eliminating the need for constant power supply. The SOLIOM S600 is equipped with instant motion detection alerts, notifying you of any suspicious activity. With the 3x digital zoom, you can easily zoom in for a closer look and capture crucial details. Enhance your outdoor security with the SOLIOM S600. It combines advanced features such as cellular connectivity, pan and tilt function, spotlight, and night vision, ensuring comprehensive monitoring and peace of mind. Experience reliable and efficient security with this versatile outdoor camera. Last on list is WUUK Smart Doorbell Camera, a wireless solution without any subscription requirements. With an impressive battery life, a single charge can last approximately 3 months, ensuring continuous monitoring and convenience. Experience sharp image quality with 2K resolution, allowing you to capture clear and detailed footage of your doorstep. The doorbell camera is equipped with motion and radar detection, providing reliable and accurate notifications when activity is detected. Filter your notifications and receive only the alerts that matter to you. Customize your settings to prioritize specific events and minimize unnecessary notifications, ensuring you stay informed about what's important. Store your footage locally with the included 32 GB storage, providing ample space for recording and playback. You can access the stored footage at any time, giving you peace of mind and a reliable archive of your doorbell activity. With the push of a button, call and get calls directly on your smartphone. Enjoy seamless communication and interact with visitors or delivery personnel, no matter where you are. With its no subscription requirement, long-lasting battery, high-resolution video, customizable notifications, and local storage, it offers a hassle-free and reliable solution for monitoring your front door. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Goodbye.